Hi, good day. For this content, I will be showing 5 problems under Let's Analyze of MTH206 solid mensuration. So in solving this problem, I have my materials which are um, whiteboard, whiteboard marker, and also tripod. In order to, I will put this phone in order to have my video in recording the 5 problems or in solving the 5 problems. I hope that you can understand in my content, so sit back, relax, and I hope you may enjoy in my solving problems. Let's go.
On the first problem, how many sides does a polygon if each interior angle is 140 degrees? So in this problem, we need to find how many sides or the polygon has the interior angle of 140 degrees. First, we need to use the formula quantity n minus 2 quantity by 180 over n. So that formula is used in order to find the sides of each polygon. The next step, put the 140 and then copy still the formula. Then the next step is to cross multiply. And automatically 140 has already the denominator of 1. So we need to transfer n to the other side, so that will be 140n is equals to quantity n minus 2 quantity by 180 and multiply n minus 2 by 180. So the result will be, so still bring down 140n is equals to 180n minus to 360. And for the next step is we need to transfer 180n to the left side, so that will be 140n is or minus to 180n is equals to 360. So the result will be 40n is equals to negative 40n is equals to negative 360. So we need to eliminate 40 by dividing it into 40, so crush out. So n is equals to 9. So we will have now 9 sides, or also known as nonagon. Always don't forget to put the signs. I'm sorry, I forgot. For the second problem, how many sides does a polygon if the sum of its interior angle is 2340 degrees? So I write the formula S is equals to quantity n minus 2 quantity multiplied by 180 degrees. So since 2340 is the value of S, so I will simply substitute it. So 2340 is equals to quantity and minus 2 by 180 degrees. So we need to move 180 to, or just simply eliminate 180, so that in order to left n minus 2, so divided by 180, so crush out because it's the same. And then 2340 divided by 180 is equals to 13. So 13 is equals to quantity n minus 2. Then the next step is, so still copy 13 and still bring, so let's just remove the parenthesis. And then the next step is move the negative 2 to the left side, so it will be 13 plus 2 is equals to n, and then n is equals to 15 or 15 sides, and it is also known as pentadecagon. For the third problem, angle B measures 35 degrees. What is the measurement of angle C? So I'm drawing the illustration already, illustrating so that angle A is equals to 35 degrees and also B is 35 degrees. So in order to find the angle C, I'm just showing my technique in solving this. So as we know that the straight line is already 180 degrees. So let's in solving this, so let's just cancel for a while the angle A. So in order to find the angle C, we will just focus 180 minus 35, because 180 degrees is the measurement of the straight line. So we need to deduct it by 35 degrees. So the result will be 145 degrees. So since it is congruent, so the angle D also has 145 degrees. For the fourth problem, the diagonal of a cylinder measures 5 meters and its diameter is 3 meters. What is the volume of the cylinder? So in finding the volume of the cylinder, the formula will be V is equals to pi r squared multiplied by h. So since we do not have the height yet, we need to solve first in using the Pythagorean theorem in order to find the height. Then I use the formula a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. So I substitute a by 3 and c is equals to 5. And then 3 squared is equals to 9, and then 5 squared is equals to 25. So after that, I move the 9 into the right side. So it will be b squared is equals to 25 minus 9. So it results to b squared is equals to 16. And then I get the square root of the 2. So b is equals to 4. And now we will now have the height of 4 meters. Since we have now the height, so let us now solve for the volume. So volume is equals to pi r squared times 2h. Since the diameter is 3, so divided it by 2, so it results to 1.5. So 1.5 squared is multiplied to 4 meters. Then after I multiplied all of them, it results to 20.27 cubic meters. For our last and final problem, how many diagonals are there in a polygon with 18 sides? In order to find that is, I use the formula D is equals to n over 2 quantity n minus free quantity. And then since n represents the number of sides, so we will substitute n by 18. So it will be 18 over 2, or 18 over 2 quantity 18 minus free quantity. And then it results 9 quantity 15. So it means 9 times 15. And then the result will be 135. Or the value of D is 135, or 135 diagonals.
So that's it. I already solved the 5 different problems under this subject, especially the let's analyze portion, and I hope that you have learned something, and I hope that it will be a way to appreciate the beauty of mathematics. And thank you for watching, and I hope that you will have not just a good day but a best 2021 for all of us. That's it, and
Happy New Year!
stay